সুপ্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা সবাই কেমন আছো? বিডি ক্যাম্পের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আজকে আমি হাজির হয়েছি নবম শ্রেণীর পঞ্চম সপ্তাহের ইংরেজি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নিয়ে। তো দেখো, অধ্যায় ও অধ্যায়ের শিরোনাম ইউনিট 2 পাস্ট টাইমস। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট বা নির্ধারিত কাজ। Past time may change generation to generation. Take an interview with your parents or grandparents or elder people of your family. Know about their pastime activities and take notes on them. Also think about the pastime activities of your generation. Write the difference and mention why these difference have taken place. তো এই ছিল আমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট বা নির্ধারিত কাজ। তো এর আলোকে আমি একটি চমৎকার উত্তরপত্র তৈরি করে রেখেছি। আশা করি আমার উত্তরটি ফলো করলে অবশ্যই তোমরা ভালো মার্কস পাবা। তো বন্ধুরা, চলো আমাদের উত্তরপত্রে চলে যাই। ও বন্ধুরা, তোমরা যদি কেউ আমার এই চ্যানেল নতুন হয়ে থাকো, অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবা, শেয়ার করবা এবং লাইক দিবা। আর যদি অলরেডি আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে থাকো, তাহলে তোমাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। এখান থেকে আমার উত্তরপত্র শুরু। Pastime is an activity that someone does regularly for enjoyment rather than work. In old generations, people have different interests and hobbies. They were interested in activities that mostly have physical involvement, hanging out with friends or family outdoors. Games like cricket, hockey, football and activities like watching TV or movies were common. Nowadays, people have got quite different interests. With the advancement in technology, the world has become more online. Social networking has increased to a great extent. The new generation is more into programming than physical activities. Their interests are quite different from previous generation. Given below are some of the top difference between old generation and new generation pastime. Social media. Social media has now become a part of our lives. There are many impacts of social media on our youth, both positive and negative. It is a very helpful tool if we use it for some goal or education, but the craze of social media in our youth is detrimental in not just education but also physical and mental health. Many social networking sites are gaining popularity in new generation. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and TikTok are the most important in them. Getting more likes and followers is like a competition. One with a higher number of followers is considered successful in today's world. On the other hand, going to a neighbor's house and hanging out in groups were popular pastime among old generation. They used to visit relatives' house, share ideas and thoughts, discuss about their daily lives. In my opinion, socializing is important for one, but up to a certain limit. Behind that range, it is harmful to our personality, health and career as well. E-gaming. Unlike competition gaming, e-gaming involves the online connection of multiple players. You can connect with millions of people from all around the world through an online platform and play the games together. This does not require going into a playground or any specific sports equipment. Rather, you need just a good internet connection and the smartphone, and you can enjoy gaming at home. Many online games are popular among youngsters. PUBG, Clash of King, Minecraft, Ibertel, and Ludo Star is the most common. But being addicted to e-games is harmful. It hinders the mental development, and on the other hand, the body becomes obese due to lack of physical activities. On the other hand, playing in field was very popular among old generation because we had many open field around. Traveling with the advent of more easy and comfortable means of transportation, people interest in traveling is also increased. You can plan a trip, buy a ticket and explore your destination so easily. Traveling is a hobby for those who love adventure, do the things that scare them the most, kill their comfortable zone to explore the world, and do everything that seems different to them. People don't bother for money for their traveling craze. In new generation, middle class and lower middle class people can afford traveling expense. On the other hand, traveling was not so easy for old generation people. Only rich people were able to afford traveling expense. Music. Listening to music is one of those hobbies that are common in old and new generation. If we specifically talk about youth, they use music as a source of entertainment as well as a relaxing tool in their rough and tough routine, and many more. Many youngsters make a living in the music industry. Learning to play musical instrument is one of the favorite interests. Many brands available in the market that may help you learn the basic of musical instrument. When you have professional and high quality instrument, you can learn the basic of music easily in much less time. Reading books. Reading books was important for the old generation because it was not possible to know the world without books. They had to read books to acquire knowledge of literature, so they used to read more and more books. But not now time have changed. If you have internet, you can easily know any information of the world through Google. That is why people habit of reading books has decreased a lot. At last, I can say whatever your interest or hobby is, make sure it must be productive and in a certain limit, because an excess of anything in life is bad. তো এই ছিল আমার ইংরেজি অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের উত্তর। আমি আশা করি তোমরা যদি আমার উত্তরটি ফলো করো তাহলে অবশ্যই ভালো করবা। তো বন্ধুরা, আজকের মতো এখানে শেষ। ভালো থাকবো তোমরা সবাই। ধন্যবাদ তোমাদের সবাইকে।